Whittier Narrows. You know, we haven't been here for like 4 years.
Yeah,
And
almost to the day.
no, we should do this more. We really should. It's fun.
Yeah.
And then when you fly, you know, you fuel it up and you feel like you're 19 years old again. And
Right.
when you
Yeah.
run to the handle,
Yeah.
it's like, wow, it's like Twilight Zone.
But when I'm done, I feel like 74.
I told you to forget that number now. At least when we fly control light. Because the way you just flew, come on, man, you look like a kid again. Let's go.
Thank you. Here we go. Oh man. Are you dizzy? Ah.
That fuel is 4 years old.
Oh wow.
It's amazing. You know why? It
Yeah.
keeps the lid on tight, with no holes in it. No holes in the lid.
It's the same fuel we had here last time, probably.
Stays fine.
Yeah.
You're taking off left to right. That was 5 minutes.
going, I want to fly. I'm out of gas, but I want to fly. Yeah. Oh, God. It's funny, you don't see anything but the airplane when you're doing that. Yeah, that's what I was saying,
It's still
yeah.
running?
Yeah.
No, it's just that was pretty nice, just like an RC landing.
Right yet?